It's a momentous day here at InstaMortgage. I'm sitting in the All Cal Financial office actually, led by none other than Jim Black. And it's a momentous day because we want to announce our partnership together. All Cal Financial is merging with InstaMortgage. And All Cal Financial, as a lot of you probably already know, is led by Jim Black, the manager legend, right? He is one of the top producers in the country. The company he has led to become one of the top mortgage brokerages in the country. So we are super excited at InstaMortgage, me personally, because I'm going to have a great friend in him and somebody I'm looking forward to work with, but also for everyone involved with InstaMortgage. Our loan officers get many more loan options to really offer to their consumers. Our real estate agents will get so much more to grow their business, and our consumers will continue to love InstaMortgage as their preferred lender of choice. Jim?
Thanks, Shashank. I really appreciate it. We're very excited to announce our partnership. We're going to inspire, enhance, and deliver customized solutions for our real estate community, our loan officers, and most importantly, our clients. Thanks again for your trust. I cannot wait to see where this partnership takes us in a few years, and stay tuned for more. Thanks again.